In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify Wrapped 2021 not working. There are a couple of ways you can do this. So if this right here, your Wrapped 2021 is not showing up, what you could do is simply go to Google. Then type in Spotify Wrapped. And you'll see a link right here. Many links actually, you can click on one of them. And it should send you over into this menu. Or click download Spotify. If that's not working, you can go to Twitter. You can go to Spotify. Then if you go to their post, you'll see that it's ready right here. And then you can open let me get rid of that. You can open that link right here. If you click on that link, it will also send you over to your Spotify app. And that's how you can fix Spotify Wrapped 2021 not working. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel.